Shave Wars. Is less more? All right, before I get started today, I want to send a big shout out to Mike Solano and his team at M Creations Print Studio for this really cool shirt. Average Guy tested, Average Guy approved. Now, if you need a fancy t-shirt for an event, if you need a website, any sort of graphic design, Mike and his team will help you out. All right, guys, let's get right to it. Are 3 blades better than 5? Is less more? So the other day I did a review of the Mach 3 and I bought a shiny brand new Mach 3 handle and blade. Look at that. And I tell you what, with the first stroke, it took me back to when I first bought the Mach 3. I was all excited. Got it at the store, brought it home, and it was like, wow, wow, wow. And in my opinion, Gillette should have stayed with 3. There was no reason for more bells, more whistles, more blades. Wow. Now the current model, the 5-bladed Gillette Fusion, is pretty much the go-to right now. Now there are other variations to this. You have a pivoting head and power and all that jazz. But I figured this would be cool for my midweek shave to test whether the Mach 3, is better than 5. Shave Wars. Is less more? And I've never really done this, compare 2 products from the same manufacturer. So this is a first. But what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to shave on one side of my face using the Mach 3. And on the other side of my face, I'll use the Fusion. So I'll lather up, being that this is a Gillette program, and because I just love this product, I'm lathering up with my beloved Gillette foam mousse. Because I love it, guys. It's light, goes on nice, smooth, never clogs. It's just beautiful. All right, here we go. First pass with the grain of my beard. 4-day stubble. Oh, just nice, guys. Nice, smooth, firm, but not too firm stroke. Let's go for 3. Just beautiful. Beautiful. The Mach 3, man, was a beautiful blade. Look at that. Or is. You can still get these guys. Links below. Pick them up. All right. Lube strip up top. Microfin technology down here, rubber guide. No pain, no tugs, no nicks. No worries. Just beautifulness. I love this razor. Mach 3. Living near an active construction site. I'm not sure you can hear the beeping. It's every day, all day. I feel like I'm living in the Boston Big Dig. All right, flipping the blade over to shave with the grain on the neck. Hair grows up, perfect. What I like about this razor, guys, is the contact. You just feel like you have great control and contact. Look at that. And the Gillette products, guys, never tend to clog and are durable. They just cost you an arm and a leg, but I guess sometimes you get what you pay for. Another great thing about Gillette product, that thin form factor allows you to get all up in there. The nooks and crannies. Hard to reach spaces. All right, 1 pass in the books. See what the Fusion5 is bringing to the table. All right, here we go, Fusion5. A little bit different, guys. A little bit more. Not only in blades, but more of this rubber guide. More stimuli to the hairs. All right, and another doohickey, because it's a little bit wider, they give you a precision trimmer right here in the back. You probably can't see it all that well, but there you go. A blade to help you get up in there. Now let's go. Let's go. With the grain. Nice. Now to me, guys, right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you, I'm getting less contact, which might be good for the folks that have sensitive skin. This little area right here is prohibiting me from really sinking those blades in. A little bit more tuggy. But still very smooth. Still worry-free. Although it's a little tuggy, it's still worry-free and nick-free. Now if I want to get up and use that precision trimmer, that's a good feature. All right, let's go for the neck, guys. Nice, firm, but not too firm strokes. When it's all said and done, you got to give a win to someone. Comparatively, very, very similar, guys. I felt more control, I enjoyed the shave, and I paid less for the Mach 3. So the win goes to the Mach 3. And you know the drill. I'm gonna do one last pass with the winning razor. I'm gonna do a against the grain pass with my Mach 3. To me, less is more, guys. But you know what? I'm not gonna kick the Fusion5 out of the shaved in either. All right, let's go for the final pass. This is the glory lap. We're gonna shave against the grain. All right, against the grain of the beard. So I'm gonna turn that blade around and shave up. Oh, nice. You hear those blades? 3 blades, boys. And that's just nice. You could do 3 passes. There's no irritation. There's no grabbing. There's no nicking. There's no tugs. There's no clogs. Just a beautifully made razor. Or a cartridge. Look at that. Not a weeper to be had. Now my man Mike Vance, who is usually one of the first people to watch every video I post, so I'm thanking you for being #1, bro. Mike Vance gets about a month out of his Gillette products, shaving every other day. Because Mike Vance is cool like that. Look, listen to that. The contact, the control with this Mach 3. It's just the form factor of that blade. Makes it a winner to me. All right, we'll go for the neck, last but not least. Oh yeah. And here's my trick for you folks that have a pronounced Adam's apple like I do. You can either tug the skin to the side and shave it, or you can swallow hard and hold it. Which flattens that area down, thus eliminating the Adam's apple from play. So there you have it, guys. My pick in the Gillette Shave Wars. I'm going for my Mach 3. Fusion's nice, but it's just a little bit too much. You don't need 5 blades. Let's go for 3. And a recent viewer commented that I need to be using some aftershave, so I'm pulling out my fave. This is Duke Cannon's Aftershave Bomb. Ice cold. It goes on nice, feels good, and looks good. Hope you guys are having a great day. I will see you next time, which will probably be like tomorrow. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. And I'll see you next time.